Guys, first ever gaming phone ni Honor. Honor GT. No? So, kita natin, this is China ROM variant lang. And I'm pretty sure na hindi pa anytime soon lalabas to sa global. No? So, gusto lang natin tingnan kung kamusta naman tong phone na ito pagdating sa gaming. Ang dami kasi nagre-request sa inyo dito sa aking channel. So, yeah. Pagbigyan ko kayo. Tara, unbox natin. So, ganito ang packaging ni Honor. Very simple lang sa kanyang GT line. So, buksan lang natin quickly na. Yan. Very simple, no? Ganito ang itsura na sa likod. Looks pretty premium. And yeah, simulan muna natin with other stuff muna before we go to the main course. We have your SIM ejector tool. We have your jelly case na transparent. And meron tayong coupon, no? Pag bumili ka sa China. And this is the jelly case. And we have your 100 watts na fast charging brick. Yan, 100 watts, so grabe, pang gaming talaga. Ayan, yung A to C na cable. So, sana natin na. Woo! Nice! First gaming phone ni Honor. Looks so nice and premium kind of color white. No, I love it. That's how it looks like. No, dito sa side. And this is how it looks like dito sa ibaba. May speaker grill siya. On the other side, it's pretty plain, simple, and nandito the other speaker grill. So guys, anong gusto niyo malaman dito sa phone na ito? Just hit me on the comments and we'll do a full review pretty soon sa ating channel. So don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.